Good morning friends. Today we are going to start new lesson Women Change the World. Students, in previous lesson we have discussed about the girls and boys, how boys were given more importance than the girl, and also we have discussed about Samoa, the case of 1920s, how in Samoa boys and girls were treated equally, but in our country, in India, there was too much discrimination in the society, in the family with boys and girls, and when we got freedom in 1947, after that, with the help of education, skill, the condition is now changing. Here we will study about the position of women, their occupation. In every field, in every area of the society, women are working very well. They are taking education, they are becoming engineer, doctor, and the condition of education is very nice in present time in our country. Every parents is sending their girl child to the school and they are taking education. Students, how women were not treated equally. There was no value of their work in the house, but they work whole day for their family, and we will discuss here that how women are working, how they are changing our society, our country, how they are helping in the development of our nation. Students, there are three sectors of economy: primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. And in every sector, women are working very hard. In primary sector, in rural area, women are helping in agriculture. While planting the paddy, it is totally depend on women. They plant paddy in the field. And in rural and in urban area, there are domestic worker. They are mostly women, and they are doing work in rich person's house. They are cleaning their house, they are cleaning utensils, they are washing their clothes. Many work is done by the women. And in secondary sector, in manufacturing sector also, women are working. They are taking care of the management of the whole industry, and many engineer women are there. They are also working with their capacity. And in tertiary sector, example is given in this chapter that women says driving locomotive also, they are running train also, and also they are the bus driver, truck driver. These all work are going on with the help of women. And in this chapter we will discuss many topics. Now I am going to write all topics and I will explain you all one by one. Students, in this lesson we are going to discuss topics fever, opportunity and reach expectation, story of Lakshmi Lakara, then learning for change, story of the Ruqayya Sakhavat Hussain, schooling and education today. Then at last we will discuss women's movement. Students, the first topic is given here, fever, opportunity and realistic expectation. Students, in organized sector, very less opportunities there for job, and women are studying hard and they are taking part in competition for government job, and successfully they are able to take that job. Students, there is a rigid expectation from the women that they will do the development, they will do the work of house, and in our mind there is a stereotype that women have to do only limited work, like the work of teacher, the work of nurse, they may become doctor also, but the person they not think that they think that they cannot do the technical work like electrician and truck driver and locomotive driver, train driver. In this way there is a stereotype. What is stereotype here? A stereotype means it is a type of thinking about the female, that female cannot do such type of work, but they are able to do, they have capacity to do every work. Why we are stopping them for working that our work? Here rigid expectation means an expectation of the parents that my daughter or my son will be the like, means they have to become engineer, they have to become doctor. They do not take care about their children, in which subject their child have interest. According to children's interest, we have to give them way, we have to help them to work, and according to their interest they will do their work effectively if we look in their interest. Some wants to become engineer, some wants to become doctor, some wants to become artist. Many areas are there, many arenas are there in which they can work better. That is why parents should take care of the interest of their children. It is when we think that my child should become engineer, if he is not interested in math, in chemistry or other subject, many subjects are there, if we are interested in engineering, then only we can help them to become engineer. If he is interested in botany, if he is interested in biology, we have to take care for them, that we have to help them for becoming doctor, or they can do the work of agriculture if they are interested. Many faculties are there, according to their interest they can do their study, they can learn skill, they can do ITI, they can do polytechnic, and in this way they become very powerful. In these all area, women or girls can do very well. If they are interested, we have to give them education in this area. Students, one case study is given in this chapter that women can do any work successfully. Here one tribe girl was there whose name was Lakshmi Lakara. She passed the exam of government job and she got the job of running train engine, and she had broken the stereotype that only men can drive the train engine. She says that she accepts challenges and she was interested in government job. She belongs to tribe, and then also she was successfully got the government job, and many truck drivers are also there who are women, and they are doing job, such type of hard job for their children, for their family. Students, we want many things from our children, like not only from the boys or girls. We compare our children with others. In this way, we teach them. We have to take care that also, that what is the capacity of our children and what can he do. According to that, we have to help them. Now, the next topic is learning for the change. Means with the help of learning, with the help of education, we can change the world, and that is why the name of the lesson is, it is Women Change the World. How they are changing the world with the help of education. Here Ramabai Rande's example is given. She was widow. She started the institution for the widow women, and she was educated. She was taking care of widow women. With the help of education, we can change the society, we can change the nation. If our country, our society is poor, when we get education or skill, we can do anything for our livelihood. If we have any skill, then we utilize them for getting salary, for getting money, for making money, like the work of stitching. Many programs are there of government by which government is trying to give the employment for everyone. Here more important thing is that it is the learning. the education. And students, our government is providing free education to the children who are below the 14 year up to class 8. They are providing everything for making good citizen, for making human capital. In this way, government is also helping, and women are learning for changing the world. Now the next topic we will discuss in next lecture about Ruqayya Sakhawat. She is a novelist and she also tried to take out the discrimination between the boys and girls in her novel. We will discuss it later.